Here's an honest look at Captcha entry apps and whether they are worth your time. Captcha entry apps promise easy money for solving captchas, but the reality is almost always underwhelming. Some platforms, like 2Captcha, are legitimate and do pay, but the earnings are extremely low, often just a few cents per hour. The majority of lesser-known Captcha entry apps have much bigger problems. Users regularly report difficulty reaching payout thresholds, needing to solve hundreds of captchas before being able to withdraw anything. Many of these apps also prioritize showing you ads over actually rewarding you. The ad revenue is their real business model. Bottom line, while some Captcha apps are technically real, they are not a viable source of income. Avoid any app making big earning promises and treat them only as a way to earn very small occasional amounts if you have nothing else to do. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.